The next topic in the analysis of financial statement is comparative statement. There are so many techniques of analysis of financial statement. There are so many techniques, of analysis of financial statement. First technique is, or tools which is used to analyze the financial statements are comparative statement, common size statement, trend analysis, cash flow statement, fund flow statement, ratio analysis, break even point analysis. So many techniques or tools we use to analyze the financial statement. Here the first tools we are going to use, that is comparative income statement and comparative balance sheet, means comparative statement. Here we will do the comparison of the 2 years or more than 2 years figure of income statement, means statement of profit and loss, and balance sheet. 2 consecutive years information will be taken from the balance sheet, 2 or more year. Then we will see the increase and decrease in the figure in absolute term, as well as we have to see the change in percentage. So the format of the comparative balance sheet is comparative balance sheet. You write the heading comparative balance sheet, name of the company, as at 31st March, suppose here 2018 and 2019. We are going to compare the figure of 2018 and 2019, 2 consecutive year. So the format is particular, note number. This is the figure for the previous year, 31st March 2018, and this is the figure for the current year 2019, or the next year figure. So previous year or next year figure. Thereafter we write the absolute change in figure, that this is increase or decrease by how much. Suppose it is 5 lakh, here it is given 5 lakh and it is 10 lakhs, so it is increased by 5 lakh. So absolute change in rupees we have to indicate. Thereafter we have to find out the percentage change in percentage. Is it clear? It's very simple to prepare comparative statement. So see the question. I am giving you one question based on this comparative statement, which is based on balance sheet, comparative balance sheet. So first of all we are going to solve the comparative balance sheet. So first question is, following are the balance sheet of X Limited as at 31st March 2019 and 2018. So the balance sheet has given in a prescribed format. In a prescribed format, it has already given in the questions as per schedule 3rd part 1. So see the balance sheet. In equity and liability side, the shareholders fund is there. Under the shareholders fund, share capital and reserve and surplus, 2 items are there inside. Next is non-current liability, next heading. Under the non-current liability, the item is long-term borrowings. Third one is current liability. Under the current liability, the item is subhead is trade payables. Now that there is a total. Now the asset side is non-current assets. Under the non-current assets, fixed assets, tangible and intangible assets, then current assets, inventory and cash equivalent. So what we do first, we will draw the format of a comparative balance sheet, and we will write the name of the company X Limited over here, which is given in the question. Then we will write 31st March as at 31st March 2018 2019. First we will write the previous year, then after we will write the next year. Okay. So particular note number 31st March 2018 figure we will write it first. Thereafter we will write the 31st March 2019 figure. So we will write the figure of the previous year first, 2018. Thereafter we will write the figure for the 2019 next year. Then absolute change in figure and percentage change. This is the format, and we draw this format while solving the question as per schedule 3rd part 1 of the Companies Act 2019. Accordingly we will draw the format. So equity and liabilities, you see the question, equity and liabilities, under it the shareholders fund is there. First heading is shareholders fund. Under the shareholders fund, reserve and surplus is given in the question. Share capital and reserve and surplus, which is given in the question. Share capital for 2018 is 5 lakhs and 2019 is 10 lakhs. Reserve and surplus 2018, which is given in the question, is 3 lakhs and 2019 it is 2 lakhs. Now see the current liabilities. Under the current liabilities, long-term borrowing under the current non-current liabilities, under it long-term borrowings. So long-term borrowings is 2018 it is 5 lakh and 2019 it is 8 lakhs in 2019. Now come to the current liability. Next heading is current liability. Under the current liability, trade payable is given in the question. Trade payables. Trade payable last year is 2 lakhs and 2019 it is 4 lakhs. Thereafter we have done the total 15 lakhs and 24 lakhs. 15 lakh is the total equity and liability of 2018 and 24 lakhs is the total equity and liability for the year 2019. Now assets. Next is asset side. This is the total. Now thereafter assets, non-current assets. Under the non-current assets, fixed assets, tangible and intangible, both is given in the question. So tangible assets 8 lakhs in 2018, 14 lakhs in 2019. Intangible assets in 2018 2 lakhs and 2019 it is 3 lakhs. Then you come to the current assets. Under the current assets, inventory and cash equivalent. So inventory is 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs and cash equivalent 2018 it is 1 lakh and 2019 it is 2 lakh. Now the total is 15 lakhs and 24 lakhs. This 3 column particular, this 2018 figure of 2018 and figure of 2019, this entire information has given in the question. Okay, so our effort will be less. Now the main calculation start from here in this question, absolute change. So in absolute change, you see, in absolute change 2018 it is 5 lakh and 2019 it is 10 lakhs. So it is increased by 5 lakhs. So write it 5 lakhs. It is increased by 5 lakhs. 2018 it is 3 lakhs, reserve and surplus 3 lakhs, and 2019 it is 1 lakh. So it is reduced by 1 lakh. It is reduced by 1 lakh. So it's a minus figure. It is in minus, figure in minus. Okay, 1 lakh is the minus. 3 lakh minus 2 lakh. Last year it was 3 lakh, this year it is 2 lakh. So it is reduced by 1 lakh. It is decreased by 1 lakh. If the figure will increase, this will be shown without bracket. If the figure will decrease, then it will shown in bracket, within bracket. It's a decrease and this is increase. Now here In non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings is 5 lakhs in 2018 and 2019 it is 8 lakhs. So, it is increased by 3 lakhs. Increased by 3 lakhs. Here under the current liability trade payables, 2018 figure is 2 lakh and 2019 figure is 4 lakh. So, it is increased by 2 lakhs. Is it clear? Increased by 2 lakhs. Now, you do the total. Now, you do the total. Okay, you do the total. So, 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 10 and 1 minus, so it is 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs. 3 figure are in plus and 1 figure is in minus. So, you add the 3 figure which is positive, increase 5 lakhs plus 3 lakhs 8 lakh, 8 plus 2 10 lakhs and minus 1 lakh. So, it is 9 lakh. Now, do the same thing in the asset side as well. Under the fixed assets, tangible assets, last year it is 8 lakhs, now it is 14 lakhs. So, it is increased by 6 lakhs. It is increased by 6 lakhs. Here it is 2 lakhs, intangible assets is 2 lakh and now it is 3 lakhs. So, it is also increased by 1 lakh. Okay. Now, current assets, inventories. In 2018 it is 4 lakhs and 2019 it is 5 lakhs. So, it is also increased by 1 lakh. Okay. Now, cash and cash equivalent, it is 1 lakh. Last year 2018 and 2019 it is 2 lakhs. So, it is also increased by 1 lakh. Okay, increased by 1 lakh. Now, we will do the total. Now, we will do the total. Okay. Now, we will do the total. So, total is 6 plus 1 7, 1 8, 1 9. 9 lakhs is the total. Okay. 9 lakh is the total. So, we have completed absolute change in figure. When we compare with the previous with the current, if it is increased then it is positive and if it is decreased then it is a negative. Decreased figure will be shown within the bracket. This indicates the negative figure. This is the negative figure, decreased figure. Now, thereafter we will find out the percentage change. Change in percent. Okay, change in percent. So, how this will be calculated? 5 lakhs is the absolute change upon previous year figure is 5 lakhs. So, change in percentage is into 100. Previous year figure is 5 lakh, was 5 lakh and it is increased by 5 lakh. So, we will calculate the percentage previous year figure into absolute change into 100. So, it is a 100%. It is a 100. It is a 100%. Is it clear? 100%. Thereafter, you come to this. Change is 1 lakh. Absolute change is 1 lakh. Yes. And the previous year figure is 3 lakhs into 100. So, it is 33.33. Is it clear? 33.33. Here you see the change is 3 lakhs. Change is 3 lakhs and previous year figure is 5 lakhs. Absolute change 3 lakhs upon previous year figure into 100. So, we will calculate the percentage. It is 60%. It is 60%. Okay, it is 60%. It is 60%. Now come to here. Absolute change is how much? 2 lakhs is the absolute change upon previous year figure 2 lakhs into 100. So it's a 100% change in 100% change. Is it clear? Change in 100% change. Now here in total you see absolute change is 9 lakhs and previous year figure was 15 lakhs. Previous year figure was 15 lakhs. Is the previous year figure into 100. Okay, into 100. So it's a 60%. 60%. In total it is increased by 60%. Okay. Now come to this side, tangible assets. Absolute change is 6 lakhs. Absolute change is 6 lakhs and previous year figure is 8 lakhs upon 8 lakhs into 100. So this will be 6 lakhs upon 8 lakhs into 100. So it is 75%. 75%. Okay, it's a 75%. 75. Okay, here it is 60, here it is 100, here it is 60, here it is 33.33, here it is 100. Okay, here now we'll calculate for intangible assets. Intangible assets, absolute change is 1 lakh divided by previous year figure is 2 lakhs. So 1 lakh upon previous year figure into 100. Absolute change upon previous year figure. Absolute change upon previous year figure into 100. So it is 50%. 50%. Okay, it is 50%. Next is 4 lakh to 5 lakh. So 1 lakh is the absolute change. 1 lakh is the absolute change and previous figure is 4 lakhs into 100. So it is 1 lakh upon 4 lakh into 100. So it is 25%. It is 25%. 25. So this is 25. Here the absolute change is 1 lakh and previous year figure is also 1 lakh into 100. So it's a 100%. 100%. Now we will do the total. Now we will do the total. So this total is, you see the total. Okay, you see the total. Now we will do the total. Okay, here in total you see the previous year figure is 15 lakhs and current year is 9 lakhs. So 9 lakhs upon previous year figure is 15 lakhs into 100. So it is 60%. 60%. 60% is the total change. 15 lakhs to 24 lakhs. So it is increased by 9 lakhs. So 9 lakhs upon previous year figure into 100. 60%. Okay. So in comparative balance sheet, we try to see as compared to previous year, in the current year, it is increased by how much amount and at what percentage. What is the percentage change? So we calculate it accordingly. So this is very simple to find out prepare the comparative balance sheet or comparative income statement or comparative balance sheet. It's very simple. This is working note. I have done the working note over here. You can do the working note in other places as well. This is the working note. This is for calculation. Working note, it's for calculations. It is for calculations. Now come to the next question. From the following information, prepare comparative balance sheet of X Limited. Comparative balance sheet of X Limited. Here the information is not given as per schedule 3rd part 1. The information is given, random information is given, not systematic. So information is given, the 2 column, first one is for 2019, second column is for 2018. So in particular, reserve and surplus, share capital, trade payables, land and building, plant and machinery, goodwill, investment, current assets and long-term borrowings. Here the information is not given as per the prescribed format under schedule 3rd part 1 of the one in the balance sheet as per Companies Act 2013. So what we will do first, when we will prepare the comparative balance sheet, in particular we arrange this figure as per the schedule 3rd part 1, as per the schedule, as per the prescribed format. Okay, so first task is to present it in a prescribed format. So you see in this format, I have done it in this format and presented in a prescribed format, which is not given in the question in a prescribed format. So first task is to convert it into a prescribed format as per schedule 3rd part 1 of the balance sheet, Companies Act 2013. So under this you see shareholders fund, share capital, which is given in the question, reserve and surplus is given in the question. In the non-current liability, long-term borrowings is given in the question. So write in sequence as per the prescribed format. Current liability, trade payable is given, and write the amount. First you write the amount of previous year 2018, thereafter you write the amount of the current year 2019. So first column is for the previous year and next column is for the current year. So these consecutive years are here, previous year and current year. Next you do the total. The one side total is 30 lakhs and another year total is 38 lakh 70,000. Now come to the asset side. Non-current assets, under the non-current assets, fixed assets, tangible and intangible is given. We have to write tangible and intangible. Here in intangible assets, you show it in the working note. In the notes number 1, note to account number 1, I have written note account number 1. So intangible assets, land and building and plant and machinery. So this is for the 2018, figure of 2018, and this is for 2019, 18-19. Okay. So 18, land and building and plant and machinery, these two come under the tangible assets. And in intangible assets, note number 2, goodwill comes under intangible assets. In 2018 it is 1 lakh and in 2019 there is no goodwill. Okay, so it's a dash. So present it in the notes to account. This is what? Notes to account. Notes to account. Number 1, number 2. So directly I am going to write this amount here in tangible asset 20 lakhs and 22 lakh 30,000, and in intangible assets 1 lakh, and here it is dash. Next is your investment is given. So write the investment amount and thereafter current assets. Current assets is 8 lakh and 15 lakh 20,000. So do the total. So both side total, this side total is also 30 lakhs and this side total is also 30 lakh in the first column. Total. Okay, write the total. Is it clear? Write the total over here. Total. Okay. So first task is completed by us. First task is over. We have completed the task 1. The next is to find out the absolute figure, change in absolute change. So share capital, last year it is 10 lakh and this year is also 10 lakh. So there is no change in absolute item, no change. Reserve and surplus 6 lakhs and 12 lakhs, it is increased by 6 lakhs, increased by 6 lakhs. Okay, increased by 6 lakh. Next is your long term borrowings 5 lakhs, previous year, this year it is 4 lakhs, so it is reduced by 1 lakh, it is reduced by 1 lakh, it's a negative, reduced by 1 lakh. Trade payable 9 lakh and 12 lakh this, so it is increased by 3 lakh 70,000, 3 lakh 70,000, increased by 3 lakh 70,000. In total 30 lakhs to 38 lakh 70, so it is increased by 8 lakh 70,000. You can see from here 6 lakhs plus 3 lakhs 9 lakh 70 minus 1 lakh 8 lakh 70. From this side you can also match and from this side also you can match this figure. Now come to the tangible assets to 20 lakhs and 22 lakhs 30,000, so it is increased by 2 lakhs 30,000. Is it clear? 2 lakh 30,000 increased by 2 lakhs 30,000. Next is 1 lakh and there is no change, there is no figure, so it is 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. So this change is what? Last year it is 1 lakh and there is no figure, so it's a minus. Indicate the minus. It is decreased to 0. So 1 lakh decreased by 1 lakh. Here 1 lakh and 1 lakh 20, so it is increased by 20,000. Next is 8 lakhs and 15 lakh 20,000, so it is increased by 7 lakh 20,000, 7 lakh 20,000, 7 lakhs 20,000. Is it clear? 7 lakhs 20,000. Now we will do the additions. This side is also 8 lakhs 70,000 will be the difference. 30 lakhs minus 38 lakh 70, so the difference is how much? It is increased by 8 lakh 70,000. And this side also you can match it. 2 lakh 30 plus 20 plus 7 lakh 20 minus 1 lakh, so this figure will come. You will get this figure. Okay, so this one is clear. Note to account is clear. We have to present in note to account in the working note. In the working note you have to reflect this one. Working note you have to reflect the note number 1. This is a part of your answer, okay. Next is now coming to the change in percentage, okay, change in percentage. So there is no change here, so it's a dash. Last year figure upon 0 into 100, so it is dash. Here it is changes 6 lakhs is the absolute change upon previous year figure 6 lakhs, previous year figure 6 lakhs into 100, so it's a 100%, change it by 100%. Next is 5 lakh is the absolute, 1 lakh is the absolute change, this one upon previous year figure 5 lakhs into 100, so it is 20%, it is 20%. Is it clear? It is 100%. Next you come to over here 3,70,000 absolute change, 3,70,000 upon previous year figure is 9 lakhs into 100 into 100. Okay. So we will find out the percentage. 37 upon 9 into 10. So it is 41.11. 41.11. So it is 41.11. Now here in total it is 8,70,000 absolute change in total liability, equity and liability total, and previous year figure is 30 lakhs into 100 into 100. Okay. So it is changed by 29%. 29%. It is 29. Okay. Now come to over here. Change is 2,30,000, absolute change 2,30,000 upon previous year figure is 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs into 100 into 100. So it is 11.50. 11.50. 11.50. Now here 1 lakh and absolute change is nothing. There is no figure over here. Change in percentage is minus 1 lakh. 1 lakh upon previous year figure 1 lakh into 100. So it is 100%, but it is minus. In minus, change indicate the minus. This is in minus. This 20 is in minus. Okay. Now come over here. 10 lakhs. 1 lakh to 1,20,000. It is increased by 20,000. Absolute change is 20 upon previous year figure 1 lakh into 100. So it is 20%. It is 20%. 20%. Okay. Next is your 7 lakh. This is 20%. 7,20,000 upon previous year figure is 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs into 100 into 100. So it is 60%. It is what? 60%. It is 20%. It is 100%. Okay. It is 29%. In total as well, the same will come over here. 29 will come over here. 29. 29. Okay. 29. Because 8,70,000 upon 30 lakhs, we have already done the calculation. 29%. So is it clear? So this is very simple to prepare comparative balance sheet. So main thing is what? In particular, you arrange the figure, arrange the item as per schedule 3rd part 1 of the balance sheet as per the prescribed format given in the Companies Act 2013. So if the figure is not given, balance sheet is not given in an arranged manner, then first of all you arrange in sequence: equity and liability, shareholders fund, share capital, reserve and surplus, non-current liability. Under that this one is given. Under the current liability, trade payable is given. Under the assets, non-current assets, fixed assets, tangible, intangible assets, the land and building and other assets is given, land and building and plant and machinery. So show it in the working in note number 1. Write note number 1 and reflect in the note number 1. Add it both the figure and write it over here. Similarly, in tangible assets, the goodwill is there. So write in the note number 2 outside the balance sheet, note number 2, show it separately, and then after you write the figure over here in investment, then current assets, then absolute change is the first task, thereafter percentage change in percentage. Is it change in percentage? Now we will see the comparative income statement, means comparative statement of profit and loss. So we'll do the same things what we have done in the balance sheet, comparative balance sheet, same thing we will do it. Format will be same, okay, format will be same, and here we have to, in particular, we will write the details as per schedule 3rd part 2 of the Companies Act 2013 in a very prescribed format, which is the format of statement of profit and loss which is prescribed by the company under the Companies Act 2013 under the schedule 3rd part 2. Okay, so we will fill the details, or we will write the details as per the schedule in a proper order, okay, in proper order in a prescribed format. So the question is, for comparative statement of profit and loss, following is the statement of profit and loss of Sun India Limited for the year ended 31st March 2015. So 2-year information has given 31st March 2015 and 31st March 2014. 14 is the previous year and 15 is the current year. So revenue from operations, other income, employee benefits expenses is 60% of total revenue in 2015, and in 2014 the employee benefit expense is 50% of total revenue. Okay, other expenses in 2015 it has written 10% of the employee benefit expense, and in 2014 it has written 20% of the employee benefit expenses. Rate of tax is 50% in the 2015, and in 2014 it was 40%. So first of all we will draw the format as per the prescribed format. So comparative statement of profit and loss will be the heading, comparative statement of profit and loss. This will be the heading. Comparative statement of profit and loss of Sun India Limited. This is the name of the company for the year ended 31st March 2014 previous year and 2015 current year. This format will be same. Okay, this format will be same, particular, note number, and we will write the date over here. First date will be 2014, 31st March 2014, and second date will be 31st March 2015. Absolute change and change in percentage change. So particular, note number, 31st March 2014 previous year, 31st March 2015 current year, absolute change and percentage change in percent. Okay, now first one is revenue from operation in a very prescribed format. So revenue from operation is the first one. Revenue from operation is given in the question 20 lakhs and 25 lakhs respectively. In 2014, revenue from operation was 20 lakhs, and in 2015, revenue from operation is 25 lakhs. Other income, we will add the other income. Other income is given 1 lakh in 2015, and 2014 it is 5 lakh. In 2014, other income was 5 lakhs, and in 2015, other income was 1 lakh. So total is 25 lakhs, and here it is total is 26 lakh. This is the total revenue. 1 plus 2. Revenue from operation plus other income 1 plus 2. This indicate the total revenue. Total revenue. Next information is employee benefit expenses. Now you have to write the expenses. Under the expenses, number 1 is employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses in 2015, it is the 50% of total revenue. 50% of total revenue is 25 lakhs. So 50% of total revenue in 2014 is 25 lakhs. So it is 12 lakh 50,000. So 50% of 25 lakhs is 12 lakh 50,000, and in 2015 employee benefit expense is 60% of total revenue. 60% of total revenues. Total revenue is 26 lakhs. So 60% of total revenue 26 lakhs is the total revenue. 60%. Okay. 15 lakh 60,000. So 15 lakh 60,000 is the employee benefit expense. In 2014 it is 12 lakh 15, and in 2015 it is 15 lakh 60,000. Other expenses has given 10% of the employee benefit expense in 2015. 10% of this, so 1 lakh 56. 10% of 15 lakh 60,000. 10% of 15 lakh 60,000. So it is 1 lakh 56,000. 1 lakh 56,000. And in 2014 it has given to 20% of employee benefit. Employee benefit is how much? Employee benefit is 12 lakh 50,000 is the employee benefit. Employee benefit is 12 lakh 50,000. 20% of that amount is other expenses. So 20% of that amount means 2 lakh 50,000. Employee benefit is 2 lakh 50. So total expense is 12 lakh 50 plus 2 lakh 50, 15 lakhs, and here it is 15 lakh 60,000 plus 1 lakh 56. Total is 17 lakh 60,000 is the total expense. Total revenue is this 25 lakhs and 26 lakhs respectively, whereas the total expense is 15 lakhs and 17 lakh 16,000 respectively. Now come to the profit before tax. What we will do? Total revenue minus total expense. Total revenue means third number, and total expense means fourth number. Third minus 4. This minus this one. So 25 lakhs minus 15 lakhs, 10 lakhs. This is the profit before tax. 26 lakhs minus 17 lakh 26,000, it is 8 lakh 84,000. So third minus 4, this one minus this 4, total is this. So this minus this indicate the profit before tax. Now come to the tax. 6th number is your tax. We'll calculate the tax. In 2014 tax percent is 40%. 40% of 10 lakhs. 40% of 10 lakhs. 40% of 10 lakhs. So 40% of 10 lakhs is 4 lakhs. So tax is 4 lakhs. And in 2015 tax rate is 50%. So 50% of 8 lakh 84,000. So it is 4 lakh 42,000. 8 lakh 84,000 into 50 upon 100. So 4 lakh. Now you deduct it. Profit before tax less tax. So profit after tax is 6 lakhs, and here profit after tax is 4 lakh 42. So this is the point number 7. This is in a prescribed format. This is in prescribed format. Now come to absolute change. 20 lakhs is the previous year figure. This year figure is 25 lakhs. So it is increased by 5 lakhs. Okay. Here it is 5 lakhs and it is 1 lakh. So it is decreased by 4 lakhs. When it is decreased, this will reflect in bracket. And in total it is increased by 1 lakh. 25 lakh to 26 lakhs, it is 1 lakh in total. Is it clear? 1 lakh in total. Now same thing you do it over here. In employee benefit expenses, 12 lakh 50 to 15 lakh 60,000. So it is increased by 3 lakh 10,000. Difference between 12 lakh 50 to 15 lakh 60. So it is increased by 3 lakh 10,000. 2 lakh 50 to 1 lakh 56. It is decreased. So decreased by 2 lakh 52. It is decreased to 1 lakh 56. So it is decreased by 94,000. It is decreased by 94,000. Decreased by 94,000. Okay. Now here in C, 15 lakh to 17 lakh 16,000 increased by 2 lakh 16,000. 2 lakh 16,000. You may verify it from this side, and 3 lakh 10 minus 94. This will be 2 lakh 16. From this side also you will get the same figure. Here also 5 lakh minus 4 lakh, it is 1 lakh, and here it is from this side. If you see, this is also 1 lakh. Now come to the profit after before tax, 10 lakh to 8 lakh 84. So it is decreased by 1 lakh 16,000. It is decreased by 1 lakh 16,000. It is decreased. Okay, 1 lakh 16,000. Next is your tax, 4 lakhs to 4 lakh 42. So it is increased by 42,000. Increased by 42. Now in total if you see profit before tax, it is decreased by 0,008, means 6 lakhs minus 4 lakh 42, decreased by 0,00851, 1 lakh 58,000. It is decreased by 1 lakh 58,000. Is it clear? 1 lakh 58,000. It is decreased by 1 lakh 58,000. Now come to the percentage. Now we will calculate the percentage. Thereafter our task is to calculate the percentage next. So here absolute change is 5 lakhs and the previous year figure is 20 lakhs. So 5 lakh upon 20 lakhs into 100. 5 lakhs into 20 lakhs into 100. So it is 25%. 25%. Okay, 25%. Now here it is 4 lakhs. Absolute change is 4 lakhs. And the previous year figure is 5 lakhs. 4 lakhs upon 5 lakhs into 100. So it is 80%, but it is minus. 80% is minus. Here it is 25 lakh to 26 lakhs. 1 lakh upon 25 lakhs into 100. Okay, into 100. So it is 4%. It is 4%. Is it clear? It is 4%. Next, 3 lakh 10. Absolute change in figure is 3 lakh 10 and previous year figure is 12 lakh 50,000 into 100. Okay. So it is 12 24.8, 24.8, 24.8. Okay, here it is 94,000, other expense is 94 change, absolute figure 94 divided by previous year figure is 2,50,000, 2,50,000 into 100, 2,50,000 into 100. Okay, so this is 37.6%, 37.6%, but it is negative, 37.6%, but it is negative. Next is 2,16,000 is absolute change, 2,16,000 upon 15 lakhs, upon 15 lakhs into 100. Okay, 15 lakhs into 100. So it is 14.4, 14.4. If you calculate it, you will get the figure 14.4. Okay. Next is 1,16,000 upon 10 lakhs into 100. Okay, into 100. So it is 11.6, 11.6. It is negative, 11.6, negative. Okay. Now next is 42,000 absolute change upon the previous year is 4 lakhs into 100. So it is 10.5, 10.5. Okay, 10.5. Next is, and the last, 1,58,000 absolute change in profit after tax, and the previous year is 6 lakhs into 100, into 100. So the percentage is 1,58,000 upon 6, 26.33. 26.33. It's a negative changes, change in negative, 26.33. It's a negative deviation, decrease. So this is the working note. I have done the working note in the side. You see the how the figures are calculated, percentages are calculated. Okay. So is it clear? So particular, you write in the particular as per schedule 3rd part 2 of the Companies Act 2013 in the statement of PL, previous year, current year, absolute change and change in percentage. Now coming to the next question of comparative statement related to statement of profit and loss, statement of profit and loss. So question is, prepare comparative statement of profit and loss from the following. Here in this question the amount column is to 2019 and next column is for 2018. In particular it has written that revenue from operations, finance cost, employee benefit expense, other expenses and income tax 40% of the net profit. Only 5 information is given in the questions. So first of all, in the comparative balance sheet, we will write the in particular in sequence as per prescribed format under schedule 3rd part 2 of the Companies Act 2013. Accordingly we will write the detail in particular. So come to the particular first. Revenue from operation number 1. Okay, this is given in the question 50 lakhs and 30 lakhs. 2014 it is 2018 and 2019. Okay, it is 18 and 2019. Name of the company here it is not given in the question, so I just mark dash 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 dash. Okay, there is no name of the company is given. 18, 19. So in 18 the revenue from operation was 30 lakhs and 2019 it is 50 lakhs. Next is expenses, less expenses. Employee benefit expense is in 2018 3 lakhs and 2019 it is 4 lakhs. Finance cost in 2018 it is 27 lakhs and 2019 it is 30 lakhs. Other expenses 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. Then thereafter I do the total of these three. So this is total expense 3 lakhs plus 27 lakhs plus 50,000. Similarly 4 lakhs plus 30 lakhs plus 40,000, 34 lakh 40,000. Now third one is profit or loss before tax. Means this is revenue from operation 1 minus 2, total expense is this. So this minus this. So 30 lakhs minus 30 lakh 50,000, this is a loss. There is a loss because revenue is less and expense are more. 50,000 is the loss. In 2019 50 lakhs is the revenue from operation and expenses is less than that. So there is a profit 15 lakh 60,000. 50 lakhs minus 34 lakh 40,000. So profit is 15 lakh 60,000. Now come to the tax. Tax is given in the question. Tax is 40%. Tax rate is tax at the rate of 40% it has given. So 40%. Here there is a loss, so no tax will be charged. Okay, in case of loss tax is not charged. Tax is only charged when there is a profit. Here in 15 lakh 60,000 and 40% of this, we will calculate the 40% of 15 lakh 60,000, that will come 6 lakh 24,000. 15 lakh 60,000 into 40%. We will calculate the 40% tax. Okay, 40%. 6 lakhs 24,000. So you deduct the 15 lakh 60 minus this one, so you will get the tax profit after tax. Here there is no tax, so this loss continue. Profit after tax or loss after tax is this. Okay, here the tax is not charged because the situation is loss situations. Now come to the next. Here one by one we will find out the absolute change. Here 30 lakhs to 50 lakhs, so it is increased by 20 lakhs. It is increased by 20 lakhs. Okay, it is increased by 20 lakhs. 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs, so it is increased by 1 lakh. Here 27 lakh to 30 lakhs, so it is also increased by 3 lakhs. 50 to 40 decrease, 10,000 decrease, minus 10,000 decrease. 30 lakhs 50,000. Now we will do the difference. This one we will do the, here 30 lakh 50 to 34 lakh 40, so it is increased by 34 lakh 40 minus 30 lakhs 50,000. So difference is 0.00093. 3 lakh 90,000 is the difference. 3 lakhs 90,000. Okay. From this side also you can find it out. 3 plus 1 4 minus 10,000 to 3 lakh 90,000, and this side also 3 lakh 90,000. Now this minus this already we have done is net profit before tax. Now see the difference here. Minus 50 and this is plus, so it is 16 lakhs 10,000. 16 lakh 10,000. From negative to positive, the figure is converted from minus to plus. So add it, you do the addition. This is minus, this is plus, so they recovered from minus to plus. Minus to plus. The previous year profit loss and here there is a profit. So difference is what? Here, this is the difference amount. So difference is you have to add it, and here it is 6,24,000. It is increased. Previous year there was no figure. Previous year there was no figure. Okay. So this is clear whereas the absolute change is concerned, and here it is 9,36,000 and this is 50. So minus 2 plus. So it is 9,36,000 plus 50,000 minus. So you will add it. So it is 9,86,000. 9,86,000. 9,86,000. Okay. Now coming to the next percentage change. Here it is 20 lakhs in absolute change, 20 lakhs, and previous year figure is 30 lakhs into 100. So it is 66.67. It is 66.67. Okay. Now here absolute change is 1 lakh upon 3 lakhs into 100. So it is 33.33. Okay. Here it is 3 lakhs absolute change, and previous year figure is 27 lakhs previous year. So 3 lakhs upon 27 lakhs. 3 lakhs upon 27 lakhs into 100. So it is 11.11. Okay, 11.11. Okay. Next is 10,000 upon 50,000. Absolute change 10, previous year figure 50 into 100. So it is 20%, but this is minus. 20% is in minus. Okay, in minus. Next is 3,90,000 and previous year figure is 30,50,000 into 100. So this is, so you calculate it, this is 12.79. 12.79. It is 12.79. Now here 16 lakh 10 upon 50,000 into 100 upon 50,000 into 100. Okay. So it is 3,220. 3,220. Okay. 3,220. 3,220. Next is, there is no previous figure, it is increased by this, so it is 100%. 100%. Okay. Now come to this, the last one is 9,86,000 upon 50,000 into 100. So it is 1972%. 972%. Okay. So is it clear? Here the percentage is last year no figure, so it is increased by this one, 0 to this, so it is increased by 100%. It is 100%. So comparative statement of profit and loss and comparative balance sheet is very easy to prepare, very easy to prepare.